Hey everyone, I'm Artem, Chief Business Development Officer at Involve Software, and today we decided to share a short overview of one of our case studies and highlight a real business challenge we helped to solve. There will be many more videos coming soon, and we hope this kind of content will be valuable and interesting for you. So thanks for tuning in, exciting to get started. And today, I'd love to share a quick story about a problem of one of our clients and how we used AI to solve it in a way that made a real difference for their business. As we, in general, as we all know, AI is changing how companies work. It's not just about hype anymore, it's about smarter decisions, faster processes, and better user experiences. But here is the thing. While off the shelf tools might work for simple cases, most businesses aren't that simple. The workflows, logic, customer experience require something more flexible. And that's where we come in. Who we are. At Involve Software, we specialize in building custom AI solutions that go far beyond basic chatbots or plug and play tools. Whether it is a natural language assistant for an AI layer for internal systems or intelligent automation that understand your business logic, we design AI that fits your processes, not the other way around. We implement AI where it matters most, empowering teams, accelerating workflows, and unlocking insights across your business. Uh, Now, let me show you what that looks like in action. One of our clients, a mid-size e-commerce business, was losing a huge chunk of potential sales because their internal search engine real customer intents. People were typing things like, I want to buy a gaming laptop, I want to find this type of dress, I want a Scandinavian style table, or something narrow for a small hallway, and getting nothing in return. Um, that meant frustrated users, abandoned sessions, and a lots of support tickets asking why I can't find this, where I can find that. Can you help me navigate, and etc. etc. And in a moment, I'll walk you through how we solved that with a custom AI powered assistant that turned search and other features into real conversation and results into a revenue. I'm going to share my screen right now, and what you will see is a sandbox environment, a simplified version of the solutions that we developed. It demonstrates core functionality of the AI systems that we built. Not every feature active here, but it should give you a clear idea of how the system works and what kind of impact it can have. Uh, and again, really important highlight. This kind of assistant isn't just for retail or e-commerce. The same AI logic can be applied across different industries like fintech, logistics, healthcare, HR, telemedicine, and many more. So now we can dive in. And what you currently see on your screen, this is a sandbox that was created by our development team to present some of the key features that AI assistant. And we can get started. So basically, what you see on your screen right now, this is a standard structure of any marketplace or any um, retail platform. And here's the items that you can see on the screen. This is basically already AI assistant that's showing some of the products that I was searching over here. And the most powerful feature that currently we developed for our client is the AI assistant that is integrated inside of his platform. Moreover, it's integrated with the internal CRM, internal databases, and third-party services to basically analyze all the data about the users, their behavior, and can provide a lot of personalized experience to the customers. Let's start with the smart search. So basically, you can see here some of the smart searches that I did. And for example, I'm looking for a laptop. for the gaming laptop to play Cyberpunk and GTA. But also, I need a laptop that would suit for my working routine. But I have no idea about the differences. I don't know about anything about MacBooks, working stations, etc. I don't want to look for any additional information in Google or watch YouTube videos. One of the advantages of this AI assistant is that he already knows what I want, and he already has all the needed information about the laptops or any other product that you're looking for. So in this search, you can type anything you want to. For example, I want a gaming laptop to play Cyberpunk and GTA. It analyzes the context of your request and it provides the results. Of course, this is a first prompt, but still, here are some of the examples from HP, Asus, and Acer laptops that would suit your needs. So, first of all, this really saves time for users to search and basically streamline the process of the buying experience. Based on this context, he also provides the specific filters exactly for your request, like for gaming, work, studying, everyday use, the screen size, and of course, if we want to clarify more results. Okay, let's press this one, and I want to precise the results, precise filters. Of course, it's us this question about the budget, any specific GPU, and how much RAM do we need. Let's say I don't know, no preference, and let's say 116 gigabytes. So basically, based on the context, it's provided a couple of options that are available. What's really crucial that you can show the product stats, your rating, returns popularity, what do buyers say, read pros and cons from real reviews. This basically saves a lot of time for the support and technical team to handle any type of requests and questionnaire sections. And again, this is increase the buying time speed for the customers, and of course reduce the percentage of abandoned shopping carts. If we click on the product, basically, here's description, technical details. If you pop up the chat, you can ask any type of custom message regarding this specific product to make any kind of queries, comparison, anything you want to. Then you can add it to the cart. And if you want to find something else, you can easily navigate through the chatbot system. For example, I want to find a wall lamp loft style industrial. Based on the context, it provides filters related to my query about the lamp and asking you some specific filters that you want to. So, for example, for bedroom, for living room, for bathroom, choose a style, let's say loft, black, and of course, we want more specific results, filters. This is very powerful as well because you don't have to search in specific filters or the filters that might not exist and you have to add it with your development team all the time. It basically provides customized filters based on your request, which is really great. Because you don't really, it's not really often that you can see how about the light direction, upward, downward, adjustable, etc. You're just looking for specific lamp and you have to Google it separately what kind of light direction it has. Would you like to have a switch on the lamp? Like yes. And how do you plan to mount the lamp? Well mounted, plug in, both are fine or not sure yet. Let's say we know that we need wall mounted, and here are the results. You don't have to look for thousands of filters, then Google it, and then go to find specific product. It's already in here, which is really, really impactful. Uh, the next one, let's say I want to see the product stats, see the rating, returns, and popularity. And this AI assistant has already summarized all the information that you usually, or the users usually looking in Google or Chat GPT or any other sources. It already provides compiled results, with the best use cases, compatibility notes, concerns, and the most praised aspects, for example, which is really great. And you can ask as well as with the laptop, you can ask any type of questions related to a specific lab, for example, regarding this one that we have chosen. And here is example how it can look like in different living rooms, as well as some technical picture, as well as technical details over here with the description. And simple way, you add to cart, and you go to cart, and you see both of your items, and then you can easily proceed to checkout. Very, very simple, fast user experience that increase sales, increase retention rate, and help automate a lot of business processes for the development team, for the support team. What else? Here's on the top of the offers. It provides smart deals based on your searches. So since I had the lamp and a laptop, it provides some specific offers related to specifically to me, which is really great. Which can this can help customers to return or uh, provide them with the personal discounts, personal offers, whatever. And since this is custom development, this AI assistant could have much more multiple features and could have much more abilities to impact on in any other business, like in fintech, healthcare, edtech, whatever. For example, just one idea came to my mind. A lot of people right now is starting their investment journey, but they don't know anything about the assets. What kind of assets exist? What are the different? What are the differences between them? And can you imagine how impactful that would be, let's say, in one investment platform where the people could have an AI assistant that could give them step by step, simple, user friendly journey, um, and basically help them to onboard into this new world for them. And of course, afterward, the investment managers could step in on later stages to assist with any type of request that user might have. Just one simple example that came to my mind. And based on the business requests and the business requirements, we can adapt and create any custom turnkey solution. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them below this video in the comments or just drop me a message on LinkedIn. Thank you very much.